Jamaica's cycling team will begin its push towards a return to the Olympic stage, with the upcoming Pan American Track Cycling Championships being used as a crucial first steps to qualify for the Games in Los Angeles in 2028. Christopher Scott now reports.
It's been almost 20 years since a Jamaican cyclist represented the island at the Olympic Games, Ricardo Lynch competing in the men's carrying at the 2008 Beijing Games. Now, head coach of the national team, Carlton Simmons, says the work towards Olympic qualification starts with the Pan Am Championships.
It's just to use this event to kind of gauge our preparation, but notwithstanding that we want some good performance from our riders, because the business of points hunting starts now. So
Simmons is expressing confidence in the squad's preparation, noting the riders are ready and optimistic heading into the competition.
All in all, the team is settling in, and the mood in the camp is pretty good at the moment. So looking forward to the start to see how well they will fare out.
Jamaicans will be in action on Wednesday in the team sprint, which rides off at 9 a.m. Jamaica time. The Pan Am Cycling Championships, which runs from February 16 to 22, will feature 168 athletes representing 20 countries. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.